Here's a goofy one. Style tags are elements just like any other element, which means that you can display them as block. Display block. What happens when you display block a style tag? Well, it shows up on the page. Well, you can actually also make that content editable, and then you can go ahead and start editing it, and it updates in real time right on the page. If you add one more style here, white space pre, it'll format it appropriately. I like to do something like this. Go in, pop a transition on everything. Now we go ahead and do things like font size 20px. Woo, it grows. Change the background red, color white, font family, Comic Sans, MS of course. And you could just kind of keep going from there. So because style tags are elements, they can be edited and displayed right in the browser. Cool.